Hey guys, this is just a quick video how to change your password in Windows 11. So first of all, you have to be logged in for this video. Press start, go to settings, and you go to your accounts and you scroll down into sign in options. Then depending on what you want to change, like most of the time it's just a password, but if you're already using a PIN, you can change it here by changing PIN. So for now, let's just change the password. And then first of all, you have to fill in your current password, and if that's correct, you set up your next password. For instance, test 12345, just for this video. In case you're forgetting it, a hint. So password hint, like say test with 5 numbers. Next. Then you finish and voila, your password is changed.